Lunch is ready!
Paksiw na bangus.
Paksiw panunus!
Na bangus.
Nabangus.
Paksiw na bangus. Ready, go.
Paksiw panunus.
Paksiw na bangus.
I will say that.
Paksiw.
Okay. Paksiw is a fish stew using bangus or milkfish. It is best paired with steamed rice. Hello everyone, I am Madam Supercook Yardstead. Oh, let's see what gets inside. It's not ice cream. Let's see. Wow, it's fish. Let's get started and let's get cooking. For my safety, I asked Daddy to help me prepare the ingredients. Now mince the garlic, then chop the onion. Now julienne the yellow ginger. Next is ampalaya, in English bitter gourd. Remove the seeds, then chop. Now let's get cooking. Layer the fish in the pot. Layer the garlic in the pot. Next is onion. Next is ginger. Next is the bitter gourd. Next is vinegar. One cup of water. Next is salt. Next is fish sauce. That's good for 15 to 20 minutes. Did you know my mom craved this dish when she was pregnant with me? That's why I dedicate this vlog to my mom. I love you, Mommy. It's now ready. On its way, Paksiw, Bangus. I hope you liked our recipe today. Remember, whether we eat, drink, or cook, do it all for the glory of God. See you next time. Bye!